Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to sign out of Threads account, switch account on Threads app. So let's get started. So now if you want to sign out of your Threads account and if you want to switch your accounts on Threads, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, now in order to sign out, what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on that, now you'll find a two-bar icon which is on the top right corner. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now in order to sign out, you just have to tap on logout, and after tapping on logout, you will be signed out from your account. Now if you want to switch your account, now to do that what you have to do is just simply tap on switch profile. After tapping on switch profile, now if you only find one profile, then what you have to do is just simply tap on add profile and then go ahead and then add a profile. After adding a profile, you will have two accounts. Now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then switch your accounts. So here you can see guys, this is a different account. Now I'll just simply tap on switch profile and then select another account, and this is another account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign out of Threads account and switch account on Threads app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.